Today I'm going to be reviewing and showing you how to use this tool, which is a stud extractor. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Grayson and I like working on cars, especially my Datsun 280Z. And I had a problem recently where there are studs actually stuck into the engine. And today I'm going to be showing you how to remove them using this tool. But first, if you're not already, be sure to subscribe down below so you can see more tutorials as well as me build this Datsun 280Z. With that said, let's get into it. So this is the package that you get. This is a $16 tool from AutoZone or O'Reilly's Auto Parts. You can pretty much get it from any auto parts store. When you take it out, this is what the tool looks like. Basically, there is a place for an adjustable wrench. There's a socket attachment. And then the actual part that does the stud removal is some teeth adjustable clamps right here. Basically how this works is very easy. As you slip it onto the stud itself, you tighten it down using an adjustable wrench, and to tighten it, you don't actually turn it clockwise, you turn it counterclockwise, because it is designed to back out a stud, not put it in. So once you have it on there, you use your wrench to hold it down, and then you use something like a torque wrench or a ratchet to turn it counterclockwise, and then the teeth dig into the stud, and then it should back right out with enough pressure. Some penetrating oil such as PB Blaster or something similar may be able to make this job a little easier, but this tool for $16 is definitely worth the money to just back out a stud that is stuck. Okay, so here I am at the car, and here is the stud that is stuck that I need to remove. Basically, I'm just gonna take this, put it over it, and then I'm going to use a wrench to hold it in place. I'm going to put it around this part right here. You really don't need a specific size wrench, just use an adjustable one. I'm going to use a medium size or large breaker bar and slip it into the back. Now I'm going to rotate this counterclockwise like I'm removing a bolt, not screwing it in, which is what you're going to want to do just instinctively. Instead, I'm going to go the opposite way counterclockwise. Eventually you're going to feel it start to tighten around the stud and start giving you a little more pressure. At this point, you want to make sure that this is going to be held in place as you slowly start to rotate it. As you do this, not only will it be digging into the stud, but it will also be backing it out from the part that it's stuck into. Once it is really tight and you can barely move it anymore, you can actually remove this wrench and then just start spinning it normally, and it should just come all the way out, which this one luckily for me is. And just like that, the second stud is out. For me, I actually had two studs stuck. I got kind of lucky and got both of them out with nothing bad happening, like a stud breaking or the tool breaking. Overall, this is a very useful tool. And just like that, the stud came right out. I was actually very concerned I was gonna snap these studs when this came out, so the fact that they came out so easily was really impressive. I snapped these studs twice trying to get them out until I got this tool and it bit in, took them right out. So I'm very impressed. This is a must-have for a garage. If you work on cars at all, you're gonna need this at some point. The only thing that really holds me up anymore whenever I am working on cars is broken bolts or stuck studs. So this is a must-have, worth every single penny. Please go buy one of these for yourself. If you have any questions on how this works or where you can get one of these, please leave a comment down below. I'd love to help you out because this thing just saved this entire build. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a like down below and a comment on whether you like this video, if I should do more tool reviews in the future, or I should just stick on making the installs and the driving videos with the car. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.